Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how to set up a Shopify store quickly. So the first thing that you need to do before starting a Shopify store is you have to buy a plan. You can select any plan that suits you the best, and once you purchase the plan and you log in, this is what your dashboard will look like. So when you click on online store, here is your store. For this video I will be using the Dawn theme that comes with Shopify. If you guys want, there are other themes that you can use, and there's also a theme store if you see here, and you can just select a theme that suits you the best. So to start customizing our Shopify store, you need to click on customize, and this is what you will see. If you see, most of the things are already done for us, so this will be very quick. So this is the announcement bar. To edit, you just click on the left here on the announcement bar, and you can change different things from here. Now comes our header. So to change the header logo, you just click on theme settings, and here you can just upload your logo. For example, here I'll be uploading my logo, and once the logo is uploaded, click on done, and your logo will be uploaded. And here you can adjust the size of your logo on the desktop. So this looks fine to me. So this is your header part in the Shopify store. Now to set up this navigation menu, what you need to do is go to your dashboard again, click on navigation, and here you will find two different menus. So here if you see, you have a main menu. So these are the three menu items that you have which are showing here. And while editing, if you also want to see the store, then you can just click on view your online store, and you will be able to see your store here. So if you see, there is no change right now because we haven't clicked on save. So once we save and we refresh, you will see the changes. So here we can edit this menu that is present over here. For example, instead of calling this catalog, let's call this as shop, and we click on apply changes, save, and when we refresh, we see the catalog changed to shop. So this is how you can edit your navigation menu. From here you can also add items, and also you can have sub menus and things like that. So it is that simple. So we have these three tabs that a basic e-commerce website has. And the second thing is setting up our banner. So you click here, and this is as simple as changing the banner here. Click on add image, and once you click on that, once the image is uploaded, click on done, and here you go, your image is also uploaded. And this is the shop all button. Here you can link it to anywhere that you want on different pages or any product page. So let's save this and refresh. So this is what your website looks like right now. And when you click on shop all, it takes you to the shop page where all of your products will be listed. Now right now we don't have any products. These are just dummy text that are given by Shopify. Even if I hover on it, you can see I cannot click on them. So now the main purpose of e-commerce is selling products. So how do we upload products on a Shopify store? Is you click on products, and this is where you will be uploading your products. So you can say add your product, or you can also import products. If you are running your e-commerce somewhere else, for example WordPress or any other um, let's say e-commerce platform, then you can just import your products from there, or you can add your own product. So let's call our product just a white t-shirt, and here you can upload images. So I have these two images, I will upload them, and here is where you add the price. So let's say this is for $20, and here you can add the weight and everything. All these things are self-explanatory. Shopify is very easy, and here you can add some description for your product. So you can say this is a white t-shirt, and you click on save. And now if we refresh here, if you see, our product is showing over here, right? This is showing sold out because you need to add the number of products that you have here. So for example, I have 50 of them. So you just click on save, and it should update in some time. The sold out will be gone in some time after you update that. So you see our store is almost ready. So we have this. When we go on shop, you can see the product over here, and the contact page is also already present. So to add few more products, you can just come to products, and you can add more products here by clicking the option up here, or you can import products from somewhere else. Now let's talk about collections here. So this collection is like a category on the page. For example, let's create a collection called summer, and you save it. Now what you can do is you can go to products, and you can assign different products in different categories, that is different collections. So here you can just write the collection, select the collection that is summer, and click on save. And what we can do is we want one more navigation bar which is called summer. So we go to navigation, and in the main menu we just add an item that is called summer, and here let's search for summer. So the collection pops up here, and we just click on add, and we click on save. So once we save, you will see the summer collection also present over here. So when you click on summer, you will see the product that you selected for summer will be shown here. Now for example, in the product, if you go to products and you remove the summer collection, you save this product, and you refresh this, you will see no products are found in that particular collection. And if you see the URL here, then it says collection. This will be your domain name. Right now, this is a test store, so this is what the name is. So this will be your domain name that you have purchased. This will always be called as collections, and here will be your collection name. And here, if you go to all, then this will be the page where all of your products will be shown. And if you click on contacts and you see here, then this shows as pages. So you can add different pages like about us and contact us. So to add those, what you need to do is there will be a pages option here. When you click on online store, you will see a pages option where you can see there is a contact page. You can also create another page called as about us, and you can say this is my about page. You can save it, and let's add the about page to our menu. So we go to, not the footer menu, we go to the main menu, click on add menu, and let's say about us, and just search for about, and you will see that the page comes in. You add it and you save the menu. So then you will be able to see the about menu here, and you can also shift these things as you want, up and down. So we save and we refresh. Okay, so it should reflect in some time. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time for Shopify to. Okay, here it is. So this is how you can change sequence and everything. Now one more thing, talking about templates. Here if you go to pages, you will see there is only one default page here, and there is a contact page that is created by Shopify. Now if you have created a new page like about us, and if you see here, you will see the theme template that you can select. So when you come here, you can just create a new template, call it about, and just create a template. And here is your template. Here you can add sections and do different things that you want on the about page, and you can just save it. And here you will have to select the contact template. We need to refresh it for the template to reflect here. So once you refresh, you will see the template name here. So just select it. Okay, why is this taking so much time? So right now, if you go to the about page, you can't see much of it there. Okay, let's go to pages again. Now my internet is giving some issue. Okay, so click on about us, and here you select the about template and you click on save. And once you save it and you refresh here, so you should see the same thing that is present over here. So it is showing assigned to one page, and when you refresh, it is showing here. Okay, so this is how you create a Shopify store. And once you put all your content here, then your store is ready. Shopify pretty much already does a lot of e-commerce thing for us from the start. So it's just the content that we have to add, and we can select a theme that fits us best. So this is how you create a Shopify store. So thank you so much guys for watching and sticking till the end. If you have any questions or queries, please post them down in the comment box and I will answer all of them. And if you're looking for a Shopify developer to do custom development and you don't want to use any themes, then I am a Shopify custom theme developer. So you can contact me on my Instagram. The link will be present in the description box below. So thank you so much guys for watching till the end. I hope this video helps. If you learned at least one thing from the video, then please do not forget to press that like button and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with similar videos. So thank you so much. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.